How to use ginger for diarrhea. Diarrhea is caused by viral infections, food poisoning, enzyme deficiencies, and poor digestion, among other factors. Most people will face the cramps, fever, dehydration, and loose stools associated with diarrhea at some point in their lives, but that doesn't make it any less uncomfortable or embarrassing. While it typically lasts only 3 days, you can't get rid of diarrhea fast enough. Fortunately, there is a natural, affordable, effective cure you can use to get rid of diarrhea quickly. It's ginger. That's right, this flavorful spice has been used for centuries in China to treat a host of digestive issues. We're about to tell you how to use it, but first, take a look at why it works. Is ginger good for diarrhea? Gingerol and shogaol, the active compounds in ginger, reduce pain and inflammation. Ginger provides enzymes that encourage the release of gastric juices needed to properly digest food. With regular use, ginger slows the peristaltic movement of the bowels, allowing waste to move through the digestive system at a normal pace. Ginger strengthens the digestive organs, reducing food stagnation. Ginger detoxifies the digestive system, protecting against the germs that cause diarrhea. It reduces the stomach gases and spasms from fermented material. How to use ginger to treat diarrhea. Ginger can be used alone or in combination with other natural ingredients that promote proper digestion. Try all the methods below until you find the one that works best for you. 1. Ginger. Wash and peel a piece of ginger root. Cut into small pieces and chew and swallow a chunk of ginger twice a day. Also use ginger in your cooking and baking. Add fresh, organic ginger juice to water, tea, and smoothies. Consume a tablespoon of ginger juice twice a day to cure your diarrhea. 2. Ginger with honey. Honey soothes irritated intestines and kills bacteria that cause infection. Peel and grate a piece of ginger root and mix with 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Consume this to improve digestion. Do not drink water immediately after consuming this mixture. Or mix 1 teaspoon each of dry ginger powder, honey, cinnamon powder and cumin powder to make fine paste. Consume 3 times a day. 3. Ginger tea. Boil a cup of water and stir in 1 teaspoon of peeled and grated ginger root. Reduce heat and simmer for 5 minutes. Remove from heat and let steep 10 minutes. Strain or drink grated ginger along with tea. Stir in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of honey for added benefit. Drink daily. 4. Ginger with salt and water. Once a day, mix 2 teaspoons of powdered ginger and a pinch of sea salt into 1 glass of water. Stir well and drink once a day whenever you have diarrhea. 5. Ginger with lemon. Lemon juice kills germs that cause diarrhea. Peel and grate 1 teaspoon of ginger. In a blender, mix ginger with 1 teaspoon of water until smooth. Mix ginger paste with 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice and a pinch of black pepper. Consume twice daily. Or mix 1/4 teaspoon of powdered pepper in 1/2 teaspoon each of fresh ginger juice and lemon juice. Stir it well and drink this twice a day. 6. Ginger with sugar. This combination stimulates the gastrointestinal tract and makes digestive system healthy. Make a paste of ginger by crushing it with water. Or mix water with 1 teaspoon of powdered ginger to make a paste. Mix ginger paste with 1 teaspoon of unprocessed sugar. Consume once a day. 7. Ginger vinegar salad dressing. Mix 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of tamari, 4 tablespoons of raw sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, and 1 minced garlic clove to make dressing. Eat it on salad once a day. 8. Ginger juice, mint juice, and honey. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of ginger juice and 1 teaspoon each of mint juice and honey. Consume 3 times a day. 9. Powdered ginger with buttermilk. Buttermilk rehydrates the body, and it contains good bacteria that rebalance the digestive system. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of powdered ginger into 1 cup of buttermilk. Drink this to relieve the symptoms of diarrhea. 10. Ginger and yogurt. Peel and mince a 3-inch chunk of ginger. In a blender, mix ginger with 10 chopped curry leaves, 6 ounces of plain Greek yogurt, and a pinch of black salt until smooth. Blend in 3 cups of water. Drink daily. 11. Ginger with carrots and spinach. Peel and chop 2 carrots. In a blender, mix carrots with 2 cups of spinach and 2 tablespoons of peeled and minced ginger root until smooth. Drink daily. 12. Ginger with beetroot and jicama. In a blender, mix 2 tablespoons of peeled and chopped ginger root, 1 chopped jicama, and 1 peeled and chopped beetroot until smooth. Drink daily. 13. Ginger with mango juice. Mix 1 teaspoon of peeled and minced ginger into fresh, organic mango juice. Drink daily to get rid of diarrhea. 14. Ginger, pomegranate, and rice. Cook 1 cup of rice. Mix in salt and 1/2 teaspoon of ginger paste. Stir in 1/2 cup fresh pomegranate juice. Eat daily to soothe the inflamed intestinal walls. 15. Dried ginger with rock salt and jaggery. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of powdered ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of rock salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of jaggery. Consume daily. 16. Ginger, lavender, and orange oils. Mix 3 drops each of ginger oil, lavender oil, orange oil and few drops of carrier oil. Massage into abdomen for 5 minutes and leave on. Repeat daily to reduce abdominal cramps, nausea and indigestion. 17. Ground ginger with cinnamon and honey. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of powdered ginger, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Consume to reduce diarrhea. You can replace honey with yogurt. Or mix 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, ground ginger, in a cup of boiling water. Let steep 30 minutes, and drink. Repeat daily. 18. Ginger bath. Ginger bath draw toxins out of the body. Drink water with lemon juice before bath to prevent further dehydration. Run a hot water and mix in 3 tablespoons of powdered ginger or 1/2 cup of peeled and grated ginger. Soak 15 to 30 minutes. After bathing, rinse with plain water in the shower. 19. Ginger with cayenne pepper and lemon. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, honey, 1/2 teaspoon each of fresh ginger juice and fresh lemon juice. Stir well and consume twice a day. 20. Ginger with coconut water. Coconut rehydrates and provides vital nutrients. Mix 1 teaspoon of peeled and minced ginger root into a glass of coconut water. Stir and drink. Drink 3 times a day to reduce diarrhea. 21. Ginger with black salt and lemon. Mix 1 teaspoon each of fresh ginger juice and lemon juice, and 1 large pinch of black salt into a glass of water. Drink this to cure diarrhea. Repeat 3 to 4 times a day. 22. Ginger with chamomile. Boil 2 cups of water and stir in 1 tablespoon of peeled and minced ginger root. Reduce heat and simmer 4 minutes. Stir in 1 teaspoon of chamomile tea leaves. Remove from heat and let steep 5 minutes. Strain and drink. Repeat 3 times daily. 23. Ginger with mint leaves and black salt. Peel and mince 1-inch fresh ginger root. Crush 8 to 10 mint leaves. Mix ginger and mint into a glass of water, add a pinch of black salt, and drink. Repeat 3 times daily. 24. Ginger with orange and holy basil. Blend 2 peeled oranges, 1 inch of fresh ginger root and 10 basil leaves. Now add a pinch of black salt and 1/2 cup of water. Drink 3 times a day. 25. Ginger with carom seeds, yogurt and curry leaves. Cook 1 cup of rice. Heat olive oil over medium flame. Add 1 teaspoon of peeled, grated ginger root, 1/2 teaspoon of carom seeds, and 5 to 7 curry leaves and stir until fried. Mix 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt and ginger, stir fry into rice and eat. Eat twice a day. Tips and precautions. For best results, follow the advice below while treating diarrhea with ginger. Ginger is a blood thinner. consult a doctor before use if you take other blood thinners. To avoid sore throat, burping, or upset stomach, use no more ginger than is recommended in recipes. Ginger lowers blood sugar. Fresh ginger root always provides the most benefit. Don't use ginger right before an operation. People who suffer from gallstones, heart conditions, bleeding disorders, and diabetes should consult a doctor before starting ginger treatments. Women who are pregnant or nursing should consult a doctor before starting ginger treatments. Don't give ginger remedies to children under 2 years. Dosage should not exceed 4 grams a day. Ask a doctor if ginger will interact with over-the-counter medicines. Taking a 2000 mg ginger capsule or 1 teaspoon fresh ginger root 12 hours before travel reduces likelihood of motion sickness. Try making fresh ginger ale at home. If ginger doesn't relieve symptoms, consult a doctor.